Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Filecoin price prediction and Filecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Filecoin in 2022. Filecoin is a decentralized storage system that aims to store humanity's most important information. As part of the initial offering, ICO, in 2017, the project raised $205 million. The launch was originally scheduled for mid-2019. However, the Filecoin mainnet launch date has been pushed back until block 148,888 is reached on October 15, 2020. The project was first described back in 2014 as an incentive layer for the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, a peer-to-peer storage network. Filecoin is an open protocol. It is backed by a blockchain that records the commitments made by network participants through transactions made using Fil. Fil is the native currency of the blockchain. Blockchain is based on both proof of repetition and proof of space-time. Filecoin was founded by Juan Bennett, who also created the Interplanetary File System. Bennett is an American computer scientist who studied at Stanford University. After founding Protocol Labs in May 2014, he visited Y Combinator in the summer of 2014, with the intention of finding support for IPFS and Filecoin, among other projects. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Filecoin. Let's start with the news about Dharma Capital, which launched a CFTC-regulated swap based on Filecoin. Digital asset manager Dharma Capital announced the launch of Filecoin Asset Use Swap, FOSS, the first Filecoin-based swap of its kind. Dharma Capital has secured product approval from the CFTC. A financial instrument involves the exchange over a certain period of time by two parties of cash flows generated by two different assets. With the launch of FOSS, the firm will be able to lend $100 million worth of Fil tokens in its possession to customers. The tool eliminates the need for users to purchase the underlying asset, allowing them to earn income through the POS mechanism. The term of the contract varies from 1.5 to 2.5 years. To participate, you will need to meet KIC-AML requirements. In an interview with CoinDesk, Dharma managing partner Andrew Case noted that for a certain category of storage space providers, the requirement to purchase Fil is an obstacle. People are accustomed to Bitcoin mining, where electricity, real estate. This clearly reveals that traders have been exiting their positions. In fact, the long-term holders have also been choosing to sell their tokens. For investors' sentiment to stay strong, the coin's social dominance plays an important role. Well, Fil's social dominance has been below zero after 10 November 2021. It simply sets out to equalize that the token wasn't being discussed even during the bull market. To put it simply, Filecoin hasn't been getting attention from the investors who are willing to make money. Amidst all the negative signs, it's important to note that the development activity has been on a rise, despite the massive fall in price. In fact, the Filecoin team seems to be leveling up its game post-December 2021. At the time of this analysis, the development activities stood strong at 48.45 counts. However, it remains to be seen if the development activity alone can take Fil up the price charts. And second, use Filecoin. Will the next couple of months usher in an uptrend? Filecoin, Fil, has vigorously lost most of its value in the last year since its April 2021 high. In the last 6 months, bulls could barely initiate a sustainable rally and succumb to the long-term bearish trendline resistance, white-dashed. The alt now aim to enter into a tight phase in the $18-$20 mark before testing its critical support and making a trend-cometal move. At press time, Fil traded at $18.38, down by 2.37% in the last 24 hours. According to Kremlin documents, Russia has long imposed control over state-run media, but tolerated a level of free access to content and services through the internet. While such freedoms have been progressively diminished, citizens have still been able to stay connected to the wider web. This open access is now being revoked. Russia will assert dominance over internet services and impose strict censorship on local media organizations in an attempt to control information and reinforce Kremlin propaganda. Interplanetary File System, IPFS. The accelerator will pair 12 different startups with Techstars' network of mentors and investors to build blockchain projects using Filecoin. Likewise, Internet Computer has also jumped more than 15%. Its native token ICP is currently trading at $22.38, still a whopping 96% down from its all-time high of $750.73. The Internet Computer is a proof-of-stake (POS) blockchain that seeks to decentralize the cloud computing space currently in place. The token's recent rise could be related to its founder Dominic Williams' ambitious plan to inform the Russian population of the real goings-on in Ukraine. In a Medium post, he outlined a scheme that would incentivize users to watch content about the Russian invasion. For their attention, they would be rewarded in either Bitcoin or Ethereum. Naturally, the Internet Computer would be the primary vehicle on which this plan would be executed. After Filecoin and Internet Computer, Betchain and Dios have also mounted large rises. The VET token powering the VET chain network is currently up nearly 20%, while Leos's eponymous token is enjoying a rise of more than 16% over the past 24 hours, according to CoinMarketCap. Then Bitcoin's the crypto space is about to go mainstream, with each project offering unique plans to survive and dominate the market. Is Filecoin, Phil, a good investment? How much will Filecoin be worth in 2025, or how much will Filecoin be worth in 10 years? Now we will try to answer all these questions. So, Phil rate prediction 2022. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new year. We are confident that the long-term Phil price forecast will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2022 could end with an average bid of $29.21 and a minimum bid of $28.17. The maximum bid is expected to be around $32.21. Phil price prediction 2023. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Filecoin will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2023, Phil is expected to peak at $48.89. The minimum bid could rise to $41.28 if the market turns bullish. Filecoin price prediction 2024. The current price range of Filecoin may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Phil could reach $72.85 by 2024, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $64.11 for 2024, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. Filecoin course forecast 2025. Phil has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Filecoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of $109.46. Phil is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of $93.17, a minimum price of $90.60, and a maximum price of $109.46. Phil price prediction 2026. The value of Filecoin will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Phil is expected to top out at $159.12 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Filecoin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average Phil price will be between $128.11 and $132.77 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, Phil's maximum price ranges from $128.11 to $159.12 for 2026. Phil price prediction 2027. Phil will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Filecoin price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Filecoin rate will be almost $180.24. The maximum bet we can get is $216.72. Filecoin average price prediction for the end of 2027 could be around $185.55. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market.